Alright guys, today we're gonna be switching out the old taillights with these new style. I think the original taillights I have on right now are Spec D, I think, and these are from VLAND. I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna do the right side first. Okay, so first thing we do is we have to take off this lining to get to here, and it's really simple. There's a screw right here. It's to hook the net, and all you need is a screwdriver, and I have automatic tools, so I'm gonna go grab my. All right. We gotta take the screw off, like so. I like to just drop the screws right here. There's no way that you could misplace that. So now it just pops out, and we got a couple of clips here that you can just pry out. I have a crowbar somewhere. I used to have a plastic trim remover. I can't find it. That's all I do. So we just pop it out like so. Right, and there's a couple more over here, but as you can see, you got access to the outer tail light. There's actually one more clip that you can take out that I'm gonna take out right now. It's right underneath here, and just pop it out. This should be able to come down more freely, and that's it. So now what we do here is we simply disconnect the cables. So the old style taillights came with an adapter so that you could use it with the newer Lexus models that came with the LED taillights. And so the LED taillight models have this kind of connector, which is a 2009 and up, and the 2008 and under had the regular taillights, so there was no LEDs in those taillights. So basically they had these kind of connectors. So this was basically just an adapter so that you could fit it to either style. Now these, I think, only these ones are only for the newer style, the newer Lexus models. I'm not sure, but I know that these fit. I know that this adapter right here is already attached. So anyway, let's put it on here. They look really cool. They look real cool compared to the other ones, like crazy. So all we do is feed the wire through and line up everything like so. And I got the blacked out ones because that's my style. And then all we do is just put the nuts back on. Obviously, before you put everything back into place, you want to make sure everything works. But now onto the inner tail light. Alright, so now for the inner tail light. The inner tail light's pretty much the same deal. We're gonna take a couple of clips out. One, two, probably one. I think I lost this clip. I'm gonna take a couple clips out. This clip and another clip. So if I had that remover or flathead screwdriver, it would probably be a lot safer to take these out, but I don't have them, so I kind of just have to kind of finagle it for the time being. Alright, so this, all you do is just pull it down a little bit, and you can see we have access to the screws are actually up in here. There's 2 screws here think, yeah, there's 2 screws here, and then you got 2 screws right here. They're on the edge over here. You probably can't see them, but you'll see them when you actually do it. And then you'll see the 2 screws up here. Alright, so just take the screws out. And here I like to use the tool here. I'm not gonna bother trying to get these things out without this. And plus this will actually reach up in there. So here you want to be careful not to lose any screws.